নমস্কার, আমি রাজ। আপনারা দেখছেন খবর 24 ঘন্টা।
Of India, having abiding faith in democracy, hereby please to uphold the democratic tradition of our country, and the dignity of free, fair, and peaceful elections, and to vote in every election fearlessly. And without being influenced by cultural